Good morning, everyone. Again, this is Gandi Smith. I just wanted to show you guys something I just learned real quick. It's early in the morning. Excuse my voice. But what I wanted to show you all is how you can send out a link from your Travel Joy inquiry form to your clients. So how I figured this out, I went to Travel Joy's help page. And as you can see, other people have been asking the same question. And someone put it on here, Miss or Mr. C. Allison Thurman says that the link is in the embedded form. So let me show y'all what I did. So this is my Travel Joy. I just switched back over. I did give this company that I'm with, I gave the CRM a chance, but I'm needing to go back to Travel Joy. And so let me go to my templates, my forms. And I've got to update my payment information. So the form that I'm sending out is the client inquiry. You're going to click the three dots, click embedded form. All this will pop up. Now this can be entered into a website, but I don't have like a standalone website. So the website that you need for your form, it starts right here at HTTP all the way. So basically you're going to go from quotation to quotation. Copy that link, paste it in your internet, and boom, this is the form. Now, once you finish the form, this is what they're going to see. This is your signature page. So make sure that, let me go back, hold on. So make sure under template signature, make sure that your signature, before you send out any form, you want to make sure that your signature is, and I'm going to update this. This is just what it says for now. But this is what they're going to see when they finish the form. And when they finish the form, let me show you what you're going to see. Because I did my own, I just completed the form. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard. And actually, it's not even on here anymore. Hold on. So anyway, it popped up right here on the list that it's basically waiting on me. Let's see. Let me see if I can pull it up. Anyhow, it's going to pop up right here. Matter of fact, I'll just go ahead and redo it. We'll do Jane Doe 123@email.com. Where you want to go? We'll just go to Dubai since it's already sitting there. I want to have a hotel and a flight. My date. I just want y'all to see what it looks like. Anything with an asterisk has to be filled out. Okay, don't have to complete any of that. Submit form. Okay. And as you can see, it's going to say thank you. Don't mind my signature. I'm going to get this updated. All right, let's go back to my dashboard. Let's refresh. Okay, and matter of fact, there's the one I did earlier. But anyway, this is where it pops up. It says waiting on me. And I've got to change my background picture. Y'all don't mind it either. But boom. New inquiry added. And it's got it right there. Hope this helps you guys.